What's going on, my good people? It's your boy Jay Fry. Today we're outside in my small backyard garden where we're going to be planting a few brassicas right here at the end of November going into December. So hang out with your boy for a minute and check it out. Alright, so if you check out my previous videos, you will see that I started some brassicas indoors using a lead pot growing system. Since then I've already up potted them and hardened them off. So right now the soil is a little bit dry, so I want to go ahead and get them in the ground so I can get them watered in. So I've already prepared the places where we're going to put them at. I'm going to put a few of them in ground and a few of them in the raised garden bed. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so right here I'm going to put more mustards. Here I had some peppers. You can see in this row right here I already have some collard greens and some onions growing, and I just pulled up everything that was here. So pulled it up today, and I went ahead and added some cow manure to it, and I'm gonna go ahead and plant here. I think this is another giant mustard green, but then I think this is either Tatsoi or Bok Choy or something like that. So I'm gonna put a few of those down, and then this is another giant mustard green. I think I'm gonna put it in another location. So we'll put like 5 plants right here just to see what's happening. All right, so this bed right here, this is our Vego Garden self-watering container, and this is actually a pretty nice container. And I will tell you, when I first set it up, I put raised garden bed soil in it, and because it was on sale. But I actually should have went with a pot and soil mix, so everything germinated, but it just didn't have the right stuff in it to help it produce. Now this lettuce right here, this is a romaine leaf lettuce, and it was from a It's from a transplant, so we've been harvesting off of this. But everything else that I planted in here from seed, they germinated, but they just didn't take off. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a couple of the leftover plants, like the Bok Choy. I think this is the Bok Choy or the Tatsoi, one of them. Both of them are different. I think the Tatsoi or the Bok Choy had the white stems, and the Tatsoi is a little bit different. So I'm just gonna add one of these, a couple of these in here, and some kale that didn't take off like the others did. I'll go ahead and get this put in here. That way I can fill in some space. So this is just some soil that I had in, as you saw, in one of the grow bags that's been sitting up for a while. So maybe that'll give all of this a better chance that I'm planting right here today. Alright, so this bed right here is our Vego Garden raised bed. Now this is actually a nice bed, and once it's time to replace the wood beds over here that I have, I would like to go ahead and use this one. I was going to show you guys the greenhouse cover system for this bed, but I opened it up and it was the wrong one. It wouldn't fit this bed, but I'm going to go ahead and plant some of the other things that I already planted everywhere else. But inside of here I already have some these are some collards and then my chard. So I'm just going to add the rest of my kale and Tatsoi and Bok Choy inside of here. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys for hanging out with your boy. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. I'll holler at you.